This is my home, from a suburb in Wisconsin. And still, with editing and sound, my yard became an adventure. When you take a closer look, the world around us can look like the sensationalized image of nature we see in films and TV. It shows how much we can ignore the things that are right in front of our faces. But you don't need editing and music to see how cool and beautiful our environment is. When you ignore the music and look past the effects like slow motion and close-ups, you can generate your own view of nature apart from what the media presents it as. Or you can just look in your backyard, whether you live in a dorm or on a farm or in a suburb. Put your own twist on things and just enjoy the nature.
Headed for the open door. Tell me what you're waiting for. Look across the great divide. Soon they're gonna hear the sound, the sound, the sound when we come running. Never go